So, maayong buntag and welcome to Let's Learn Cebuano. So today, I'll just teach you how to say Independence Day in Cebuano. Independence Day in Cebuano is Adlaw sa Kagawasan. Okay, Adlaw is day, Kagawasan is freedom or independence. So a bit of history for you guys. The Philippines gained its independence from Spain after over 300 years of colonization on June 12, 1898, just 2 years after Jose Rizal died. And as you probably know, Jose Rizal is the national hero of the Philippines. And after that, the Americans came. So there's a popular saying that the Philippines lived in the convent for 300 years and 50 years of Hollywood. So it's up to you to analyze that. Anyway, so for Cebuanos, I wanna greet you all. Maayong pagsaulog sa atong adlaw sa Kagawasan. That means happy celebration of our Independence Day. Salamat!